Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 10 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create a zoom effect or animation. I am taking product page of an e-commerce app. Set page according to your requirements. I am adding auto layout after adding all elements including image, header, description, quantity drop-down and a CTA button. Now design next page where user will view full image of the product. I am adding two icon buttons on this page as well to zoom in and zoom out further. To add functionality for this zoom in and zoom out feature, we will need a component for smooth transition. Now let's design frame for components. Duplicate the frame and zoom the image a bit. Set layout of frame to clip content so that image won't come out from frame boundaries. Then duplicate the frame again and repeat process. I am decreasing the opacity of zoom in button on last screen to give disabled effect to indicate it's the last step. You cannot zoom further. Also for the zoom out icon on first step. Select all frames and make a component set. Now it's time to add prototype. Add interaction on icons to add zoom in and out effect. Navigate using Smart Animate. Now copy the first variant of this component set and paste on second screen using paste to replace option. Add interaction to connect first screen, that is product detail screen, to connect with second screen. And to go back from the second screen. Here you go. Catch up for the next day. Thanks for watching.